Oh, Roses and Rosie this morning. How fitting is it that we have Rosie Romero on the show? But ladies, sorry, Rosie's taken. In fact, Rosie has been married for 19 years. She's got 5 kids. What are you, Capricorn, Libra? What are you, Rosie?
Actually, I don't keep track of it. I think I'm a Virgo.
He thinks she's a Virgo. You know what, Rosie? Why don't you join me around front? Because we are talking today about something that you call the real man's Valentine's Day gift. It's flooring that looks like wood. It's not. And I love what they say in the little traffic zone thing. A stiletto heel pump won't leave a mark on a traffic zone floor. Heavy furniture, bring it on. Heavy furniture. I love that. Sorry, Mark. I didn't mean to make you a little nervous. Hi, Rosie.
Good morning.
Good morning. Happy Valentine's Day.
And to you, too.
I would assume something like this would cost less than wood, but you say not much, actually.
Not much. It's actually a very, very good do-it-yourself project. Like you mentioned earlier, it's the perfect Valentine's Day gift for your sweetheart. Flowers and candy are nice, but what could be better than a new laminate floor in your family room?
Now, does it come in different colors? Because it looks a little like wood, obviously.
We can get rid of the instructions.
Yeah, that would help. How much is this stuff, and why would people want this? What are some of the benefits of having this?
Well, it's practically indestructible. Water, as any wood product, will be a small enemy of it, but it's very easy to install. You can get the material at practically anywheres, any of the major hardware stores or flooring supply stores. It'll cost you about $3.50 a square foot for the material, depending on all the little shoe moldings that you want or might need and transitions to carpet or tile as you go through other doors to other rooms. And you can probably get it down if you're an average handyman in just a long weekend, and you'd have it done.
Now, in terms of stains, does this handle any kind of stains, grape juice, dirt?
Pretty much. If you'll just get to it as soon as it hits the floor. Don't let it sit there over the weekend.
Right, and just hang out. Now, is this the hot thing nowadays? Are more and more people buying this stuff?
This came out about 3 or 4 years ago, and it has really taken over the market. It will probably be 30 to 40% of the wood flooring market coast to coast in another year or two.
Okay, now when we come back in a little bit, are you going to actually teach us how to install this?
We are going to sure try.
Are we redoing the whole set here?
Well, we have 20 square feet in the box. We'll go as far as we can.
So I want to mention, too, I had a chance to actually listen to, you do a radio show with Mark Salem, and I heard it for the first time over the weekend. You guys are funny.
You just heard that show for the first time?
Well, I'm usually sleeping on the weekend, but I heard it in the morning, and you guys cracked me up. It's a great show.
We have a lot of fun. We really do. We enjoy doing it. We enjoy helping people. We encourage people to call in with their questions about car care and repair or home remodeling and repair on Saturday mornings, and we try and see if we can't help them out.
Well, you know what, Rosie? We'll be talking with you more in a little bit. You know who else has a radio show? Rosie, Beth and Bill.
Oh, Beth and Bill.
Man, I threw you an easy one this morning.